Opening electric circuit breaker. Now, see inside the circuit breaker. Current flows in the breaker through first terminal, then through the coil, and finally current exits through second terminal. Cylinder placed inside the coil gets electromagnetized when current flows through circuit, but when current is too large or there is short circuit, the cylinder becomes stong, electromagnet, and pulls the metal piece attached to second terminal so that current stops flowing through the circuit. For full video,